Good morning again. This is Steve Luck at Waldorf Chevy Cadillac. Yep, that's right, Steve Luck, the Southern Maryland car guy here in Waldorf, Maryland. You know what time of year it is. It is baseball, hot dogs, apple pie, and of course, Chevrolet. Right here we have a beautiful LT Tahoe that's going to help you get to those games and all those other summertime vacations that you want to go on. This here is the signature edition LT Tahoe, which comes with extra features such as a panoramic sunroof, alloy machined wheels, tons of safety feature, front collision alert, rear collision alert, blind side alert, lane keep assist. All those things to help keep you safe this summer while you're traveling with the family to those baseball games or other destinations. So this Chevrolet comes with a high intensity output lights as well as the LED turn signals and running lights. Right around here we do have the 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, nice running boards, 6-inch depth, so it's easy to get in and out of. Blinker systems here. You'll notice there's a little camera here. This truck has 360 surround vision. We'll look at that on the inside. Of course, power seats, lumbar support, and memory seats. That's part of the signature package. Great room in the back. This one has the bucket seats replacing the standard bench seat that was in there. These seats are power and they're also heated. Ample cargo room with the seats down with a touch of a button. They come right back up for 3 more passengers. Storage underneath for your cables and small items that you want to carry with you. So you know, years ago, they used to say Chevrolet like a rock. This car likes rocks too. It'll take you on all your off-road excursions with downhill descent and other things that are available on the Tahoes. Memory seats over here for your seats. We do have heated seats in the front as well as in the back, part of the signature package. Dual zone heating and air conditioning, so you can set your temperatures to different settings so that everybody's happy in the cabin. We have your easy shifter here, just pull for drive and reverse. One of the things I was going to show you is the surround vision. So when you're in this car and you put it in reverse, you can see all the way around the car. You know, in the summertime, kids like to run around the cars when you're pulling out. So now you can see where they're at. Good rear vision, but this one also has front vision, so you can see out the front. Still the surround vision. Great safety feature. Keep your family safe in the summertime when you're pulling out of the driveway. And a nice panoramic roof that does have a sunshade to cover it if the sun is too hot. Folks, again, this is a great vehicle for vacations, enjoying time with your family, and making memories. Come on down today to Waldorf Chevrolet in Waldorf, Maryland. My name is Steve Luck, the Southern Maryland car guy, here to take care of your needs for over 22 years.